This is an experiment to confirm or disprove a rumor circulating around that microwave water is not good. You water plants or germinate plants with microwave water and the plants don't sprout. So I'm going to bring a little more rigor to this test, and I have here some cells that have little sprouting medium in it from this Burpee Geo-Friendly 36 cell greenhouse kit. And so we're going to put some seeds in 3 different categories. This 2 lines will be tap water, these 2 rows will be microwave water, and these 2 rows will be boiled water. The microwave water was microwaved, 3 cups were microwaved for 8 minutes. And this little thing was so hot that you couldn't lift it up. But it's been sitting now in there for a couple of days, and we have then here the tap water and the boiled tap water. So we're gonna take this is the microwave water, which is the middle 2 cells, and I have a screen underneath this so the water will drip through instead of cross contaminating the different cells. And then these little pellets are supposed to expand, and then we'll plant the seeds. I chose these seeds here, a lettuce leaf basil, napolitano, purple basil there in the middle top, black pole, tomato, black crim, a heirloom tomato, a regular cucumber, an Armenian burpless cucumber, and some habanero chilies. So I'm going to add the water to this and let these little pellets expand. So that was the microwave. So here's the boiled tap water. Goes in these cells here. And the regular tap water goes in these cells here. Alright, we're going to pause and let these little growth mediums expand.